Hello, Professor. So this is regarding the assignment 3 that we have in the first assignment, where we are supposed to use a no-code platform like Akkio or Jadbeo to um, do data analysis. So this is the part 3. I would like to start here. So I've taken the Heart Disease UCI dataset from Kaggle and I've performed the data analysis on this particular database. So as you can see, I had a lot of different columns in the beginning, and then I performed some cleaning, dropping them, and then some normalization on this particular data. So in the starting, as you can see, I have imported the data from a CSV file, and then so here the first step was data cleaning and pre-processing. This is already inbuilt in the clean. So if you click on clean, you get a few options, and then after selecting those, all of these will apply. So I've selected these where excess categories with other are replaced, constant columns are replaced, remove mostly blank, remove unexpected nulls, and standardized data columns. All of these are done in this particular first step. And then I was left with a few other columns. And then, so after asking the Explore, like in Explore, you have a chatbot kind of thing where you can ask questions to the bot, and then it'll give you inputs based on that. So for this particular data set, there were two columns called ID and location, basically, which was nothing but where the patient is from. So I figured those columns were not necessary. So I just prompted to the Explore bot, like I just asked it if these two columns are necessary and like they don't impact the outcome number. So can I remove them? And then yeah, even the bot was like, yes, you can. So that is what I did in the second step, where these two unnecessary columns were removed. And then after that, I combined age and cholesterol levels to create a new value called risk. So cholesterol, I think it depends on the age. So that is why I have done this step. So columns added as risk level based on uh, the age and the cholesterol level. And then and then after that, whatever numerical values were there, I kind of tried to standardize them, but I was facing some issue. So then I just did the normalization part where all of them were normalized to decimal points. So the issue that I was facing while trying to standardize these numerical values for these, if you can see, like I just gave it that we have to standardize using principal component analysis and reduce to two columns, which did not work for some reason. I just kept getting this issue saying that the tool was not available and it could not find a necessary tool that's called standard scaler, etc. So after trying it for a while, I think I just kind of figured it'd be easier to normalize them. So I did that. So while doing this, I gave the same prompt kind of to the Explore to check if that was giving any standardized standardized components using principal component analysis. And what I noticed was, so if you see, this is something that I got from the Explore, and I've saved it to my report. So it gave me two columns based on all the other numerical values that we had in our data. But somehow I was not able to replicate this in this prepare part over here. So that is something which was odd. Yeah. And then after that, as you know, I kind of had a few conversations with the Explorer. I was trying to get more inputs and how to make the data better for better predictions. And then after that, I predicted num value, which is nothing but this is a target variable. And the training mode that I used was higher quality. And then I didn't have any data fields that I could ignore. So if you see the accuracy I got is around 58.2%, and then it's 1.6 times better than the baseline model. So yeah, and then if you see the reports that are generated, so I kind of used the correlation matrix after removing the unnecessary columns to check if there was any other column that I could get rid of. So corresponding to this num column, these are the ones which I was checking, and most of them they kind of were important. So I didn't do any further cleaning. And as I mentioned, this is something that I got from this table is something that I got from the Explore after asking it to standardize all of the numerical values and give me some components, reduced components. So which didn't work in the prepare part. So yeah, this is my third part of the assignment, and this video will be on YouTube. Thank you.